Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have a video of buses for you. I've got a Hot Wheels mainline, a Johnny Lightning playing Manus, same thing, and another different variation of the Hot Wheels mainline. And then just a little something extra out of my junk pile there. Very interesting little bus there. If you missed the last video, I covered these Olds 442s. Some very nice castings there. You could certainly go back in my content, find that video if you'd like to check that one out. And like and subscribe. And subscribe so that you can be notified when the next video drops. Never know what we're going to do next here. I have many thousands of die-cast vehicles that I'll be opening and making content for. So we'll just go ahead and get into these buses here. Let's go ahead and talk about this one here, the loose one. That is a Hot Wheels. Oop, move it up here where you can see it. 1981 casting. And it's just a school bus. Flat front. Large rectangular headlights. And the design of this bus looks like it could be coming or going. Looks like that thing could take off from any position the way it's shaped. You gotta look at the rear end there. And the top. And something that's interesting about this bus is that it is a completely plastic body. And then it does have a metal base. And you'll notice by the wheels, this is a Black Balls bus. And this style wheel is what we refer to as Black Balls in the hobby. And these were the style wheels and vehicles that came out after the red lines. A lot of your 80s vehicles were called the Black Balls. And they had black sidewalls on the tires. Fun fact there. Moving right along. Now this one here, this is a mainline, and it's somewhat newer. I have another one over here that's very similar. And it's pretty wild. Check that engine out back. Pretty cool. Thought I was gonna have to get my pocket knife out for that one. Alright, there it is. Up close. Check out the wood grain on that. Very nice. Let's count the exhaust pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a 10-cylinder? Wow. Got some more exhaust pipes coming out the back. And what appears to be the tips of some surfboards. Huh. That's pretty wild. Do they come out? Nope. It's a metal casting. It's a good heavy casting. Very nice design on that bus. And the front end there looks like just a little customization on an actual bus they could have actually made. And that is a 2000 casting of a mainline Hot Wheels. Gonna leave that there. The next one, very similar to the last one there. Same casting. Has some Gold Coast tampos instead of the wood grain side. And white wall tires. Very cool looking. there it is. Check out that design. It's like we have the same liter displacement engine. Those very large black steely wheels. Very nice looking. A lowrider bus, just like the last one. And I like that chrome bumper on this one, as opposed to just that black bumper on that one. I think that's a nice touch. Nice details on both sides. A couple of palm trees there. Surfboards again out back. Some roof vents. And plastic base. Yep, both of those were plastic bases. Another 2000 model casting. Now let's get into something a little more premium. Here's a bus you don't want to be on. It's the Johnny Lightning County Sheriff bus. This one's been in the package a long time. You can see that the plastic is starting to yellow, and that's what happens when they've been in the packages a long time. So it'd be nice to get this one out. Some artwork on the back about the patriotic puzzle muscle cars coming up. I missed those. Those might be worth going back and checking out. Maybe I could find those on eBay. Alright. Very cool. That's a very glossy, shiny paint job on that one. Two-tone black and white. That does have rubber tires on it. I'll be very nice detail. It is a 2001 casting. So we're coming up on 25 years old on that one. County Sheriff bus. Appears to be an old Chevy, possibly a GMC. Colored in and detailed tail lights. A very nice feature. Certainly a nice bus to add to your collection if you don't have that one. And last, we have the Partridge Family bus. Now, this was a TV show, and it was a little bit before my time, but I know a little bit about it. It was basically a family of musicians, and they had a TV show. I think some of them even went on to have solo careers in the music industry. And it's one of those Hollywood on wheels cars. Authentic replicas of famous TV and movie vehicles. And it is quite colorful. And it does look just like the Partridge Family bus that was in the TV show. So that was pretty accurate. Alright. So a little before my time, not exactly very knowledgeable about the TV show, but the bus does look very accurate. And some very nice artwork on there. Again, like the Sheriff bus, we do have rubber tires, nice quality casting, great detail on the body lines. Careful, nervous mother driving is what that says out back. Huh, I didn't catch that detail in the TV show. I would be interested to know if the real bus from the TV show actually had that on the back. If anyone knows, leave a comment. Red wheels. And it's that same Chevrolet GMC casting. Metal body. Metal base. good quality heavy casting. Alright, so if you don't have any of these buses in your collection, there's a few more for you to consider. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, would like to see some other content, again, please subscribe. And until next time, thanks.